伫咧昨昏吉林兰举行议会选举，摕上届一票，民主党未来将有可能和方向党做伙来组联合政府，而且这两大党是拢正反对美国甲因买落来。
经过12点钟投票甲算票，吉林兰议会大选的结果总算出来，除了少数偏远的所在较少的选票，这场选战的结果差不多已经出来啊。不过，互人想袂到的是，顶一届2021年的大选，民主党敢若摕到9.1%的选票。这届大赢摕到30.5%的选票，也若排第二的方向党嘛摕到25%选票的支持。
Right now we have a broad mandate from the whole coast of Greenland, but that doesn't mean we'll have a majority. We'll get to the cities.
川普上任了后，一直讲要甲吉林兰买起来，互这个有重要战略地位、甲有丰富矿产、全世界上大的岛屿，加做注目的焦点。吉林兰300年前去互丹麦殖民，1979年才实施自治。其实，在吉林兰在地脱离丹麦、家己独立，一直是全面的共识。不过，各方拢还未决定当时要独立，因为长久以来吉林兰拢靠丹麦补助。去年年底，丹麦才阁增加15亿美金吉林兰国防的支出。亲像这届选战摕到第一大党的民主党，都是倾向较慢才独立的政党。
I feel very strongly for the independence for Greenland. Yes, I do, but not right now. We have to have more educated people, our own local youth, be more educated and come back from Denmark or other countries to come back to Greenland to educate or develop our country itself. But also the economy will have to be much stronger as it is today before we can even talk about independence.
I'm really hoping that the coming government will make a broad government so that it represents the most of the Greenlandic people, because it's so important to represent the Greenlandic now, that we stand together, that we don't want to be a part of the States and we don't want to be under America.
这场大选嘛，代表吉林兰本身的政治版图有真大的改变。摕到上侪票的民主党，未来有可能甲票数第二届方向党组联合政府。虽然这两个政党对吉林兰脱离丹麦、家己独立的时间点看法无啥共款，不过对去美国加旗的态度，因是徛伫同一个阵线。因认为投资吉林兰无问题，若要甲吉林兰买起来，就免讲。公司新闻，洪如梅编译。